So what is Web 3.0? And how are we going to make money from it? In today's video, I'll talk about different ways on how to make money with Web 3.0. But before that, let us first discuss what actually is Web 3.0. Well, I'm going to explain it in the most simple terms possible so everybody can understand it, even the people who are not into crypto. If you are into crypto and you're already using the Brave browser, you are already on Web 3.0. For those people who are not into crypto, I'm going to explain it simply. Web 3.0 is any blockchain application. That's it.
For us to quickly point out the difference between Web 1, Web 2, and Web 3, please see the definition below. Web 1.0 is the readable phrase of the World Wide Web with flat data. In Web 1.0, there is only limited interaction between sites and web users. Web 1.0 is simply an information portal where users passively receive information without being given the opportunity to post reviews, comments, and feedback.
Web 2.0 is the writable phrase of the World Wide Web with interactive data. Unlike Web 1.0, Web 2.0 facilitates interaction between web users and sites, so it allows users to interact more freely with each other. Web 2.0 encourages participation, collaboration, and information sharing. Examples of Web 2.0 applications are YouTube, Wiki, Flickr, Facebook, and so on. Web 3.0 is the executable phrase of World Wide Web with dynamic applications, interactive services, and machine-to-machine interaction. Web 3.0 is a semantic web which refers to the future. In Web 3.0, computers can interpret information like humans and intelligently generate and distribute useful content tailored to the needs of users. One example of Web 3.0 is TiVo, a digital video recorder. Its recording program can search the web and read what it finds to you based on your preferences. Now that we already knew what Web 3.0 is, let us hop into the opportunities so we can make money from it. If you're a creative who wants to achieve financial independence by doing what you love, Web 3.0 can help you achieve this goal. Web 3.0 offers legal ways to earn money online from the comfort of your home. Here are some ways to leverage this power. We have web creator platforms, DeFi hedge funds and AMCs, DeFi staking using Web 3.0, and dApps and DAOs developer. The biggest opportunity I see on Web 3.0 is the ability for writers to publish work and earn money from it. The opportunities to make money from writing on Web 3.0 are endless once your articles are NFTs that sit on a blockchain. You can put ads on your NFT and get businesses to pay you for access to your writing audience. Another way is to sell your article as an NFT. You can charge a subscription to access your articles as NFTs. Now, here are examples of the Web3 creator platforms where bloggers and content creators are paid for their content. We have Leo Finance and Hive. DeFi-based hedge funds or AMCs. Normally, hedge funds deal with very high net worth individuals and AMCs mostly deal with retail investors. Basically, both hedge funds and AMCs thrive on commissions. Without commissions they don't have anything. Now, DeFi-based hedge funds and AMCs have the power to bring those commissions down by a lot. As a result, the transactions on the blockchain are getting easier and smoother, and as the time goes on, they're getting less time consuming and the fees are getting smaller as well. If you're asking how to make money or get a job from there, well, DeFi-based hedge funds and AMCs will be able to offer their business at a very low commission rate, and this will surely become a potent business model. If you are knowledgeable about DeFi or decentralized finance, you can offer your service and skills like becoming a content writer, because a lot of fintech-based businesses are trying to create their content curation strategies and they will surely need you for that. DeFi staking using Web 3.0. I assume you have a basic knowledge of interacting with crypto networks, and are familiar with using an Ethereum-based web wallet such as MetaMask. It's also helpful if you possess some knowledge of popular decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Uniswap. First method is staking. Staking is the process by which you lock, or stake, tokens into a smart contract and earn more of the same token in return. The token in question is usually the native asset of the blockchain, such as ETH in the case of Ethereum. Another method is becoming a liquidity provider. Decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap and SushiSwap support swaps between token pairs, like ETH and USDT. This liquidity comes from pooled tokens belonging to liquidity providers, LPs, i.e. ordinary DeFi users who place their tokens into the smart contract controlling the pool in question. In doing so, you will earn a 0.3% fee from all swaps, proportionally to your pool share, on Uniswap's DEX. The more trades that are conducted via that pool, the more you'll earn. LPing doesn't always guarantee profit. When the price of one of the pooled tokens fluctuates significantly, you can actually lose money through a process known as impermanent loss, IL. There are ways to mitigate this, though, by choosing highly liquid pools that contain less volatile assets, such as WBTC, ETH. To maximize your profits, you can analyze data from LP aggregators that pull real-time data and help you project potential returns from various pools. Another method is lending. Lending platforms pay users an APY for locking their assets into a smart contract. These tokens are then utilized by borrowers, who pay interest, a portion of which is returned to the lender. The last method is yield farming. When you LP in a DEX like Uniswap, you will receive tokens denoting your pool share. These tokens can then be locked into yield farms, which are essentially DeFi protocols that reward you with more of the same token or with a different token. This means that while your pooled assets are earning a share of all fees in Uniswap, your LP tokens can also be earned.
I hope I was able to help you by sharing these earning opportunities online. Happy earnings! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will greatly appreciate that. Feel free to comment down your thoughts and reactions. I will be happy to cater them. This has been Recreational TV, thanks for joining me today and have a good one. Take care.